So today we're going to talk about our little friend, the shaker tin, right? You're like, oh, what's a shaker tin? I have one at home. It has a little top on it. I bought it in the store. Mine is a glass top. Well, this is your shaker tin, which is a 20-ounce shaker, and then you have a 16-ounce shaker that goes on the top. Now, together, this makes the Boston shaker. Now, if you have a Boston shaker at home that has a glass pint on top, that's just like, something that was found in the 50s, 60s, and is a really nice piece of history. If you're going to buy something new this day, I would definitely go out and buy yourself a 20-ounce tin and a 16-ounce tin and get them together, or 28-ounce tin, excuse me, because we're going to talk about shaking a cocktail and what you want to do. You always want to take the top of the cocktail and fill it with ice 3/4 of the way full. And that is the proper amount of ice for shaking a cocktail. So when you take that, you'll put it in and you'll be able to shake your drink. And here's my last pro tip for today, and is the 90-degree angle, and you're going to shake your drink. It should almost sound like a little bit of a bell going off. And that's how you know your cocktail is going to be proper.